Audio description is a secondary narration track in videos that describes what's happening on screen for people who are blind or have low vision. In Netflix, for example, you can turn on audio description by selecting it in the language settings menu. Many people think that the legal requirement to provide audio description is difficult, complicated, and expensive. However, there are many ways to make this process easier, and one of them is to use something called integrated audio description. Integrated audio description is when things happening on screen are directly described in the dialogue or in the main narration. When your content uses integrated audio description, you don't need a secondary narration track to explain what's happening on screen. Here's an example. Check out this clip from the Great British Baking Show.
Right, so for the Genoese, tip the eggs and sugar into a bowl, whisk the mixture until it's reached 43 degrees.
In that clip, even though the audio description was turned on, secondary narration wasn't necessary. That's because the on-screen actions matched the dialogue. People talked about their food preparation steps, and on-screen we saw them doing exactly that. You should try integrated audio description today. Maybe it will make your process a lot easier.
Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments.